Short math lesson, complex fraction, method number 2. Any fraction in which either or both of the numerator or denominator are themselves fractions. That is the definition. And once again, this is is a very common complex fraction question. In this method, we're going to be using what I lovingly refer to as F.O.O. That stands for form of 1. That's important because when you multiply by 1, nothing happens, right? So the value stays the same. So we got to find a special form of 1 that will allow me to change the shape. And I'm going to choose 12. Why? Because I'm going to look at the denominators over here, which is the 2, 3, and a 4. And the least common multiple of that is 12. And the reason for that comes very clear, as 2 goes into 12, 3 goes into 12, 3 goes into 12, and 4 goes into 12, thereby getting rid of the fraction in the numerator and the denominator. And when we do that, we are effectively calculating the numerator separately from the denominator once again. Now, here, all we gotta do is distribute the 12 into these two terms in the numerator. 1/2 of the 12 is 6. 2/3 of 12. If you know that right away, that's great. But if you didn't, 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 2, the numerator, is 8. And then 2/3 of the 12 is, we already did that, didn't we? That's 8, minus 5/4 of the 12 has to be a little bit more than 12, right? Because 5/4 is bigger than 1. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 5 gives you 15. That gives you 14 over -7. And we know that 14 divided by -7 is -2. In most cases, using this F.O.O., the method 2 method is far superior to the method 1 that you saw before. That is a short lesson on complex fraction using second method.